Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. And for today's video, we are going to talk about ano ba ang mga red flags ng mga lalaki na dapat nating i-avoid, girls, kapag ito ay nangliligaw pa lang at he just wanted you to go to his bed and that's it. After that, wala na. So these are just some of the signs that these men are they're too good to be true, ika nga. So at first, you are hopeful, you are hoping that what this guy is showing to you ay talagang yun na yun, that is for real. Pero sometimes these men are not really looking for a serious relationship. They're just looking for a companion and they're not looking for real love as it is. It's very hard to believe, especially if this mga lalaki ay showing you, it seems that they are genuine, but because your heart tends to believe that this guy is good, he's showing you good attitude, he's showing some love, he's so sweet at you, but it's really hard for you to believe that it's just for a show, you know. So, ito yung mga signs na dapat mong, you have to be to avoid this kind of, dapat hindi ka masyadong napapabilib ng, mas madali. You don't believe that right away, especially on the first week, first month, because I believe that a real guy will take time before, uh, before getting in serious relationship with you. I think 3 months. It's like make a 3 months rule, kumbaga. Kung this guy is consistent within 3 months, and because within 3 months, I think you can see some holes. Makikita mo kung may butas, makikita mo yung pag-change ng attitude. Kasi 3 months is a long time para magtiis kung ang lalaki ay gusto ka lang ikama. So, these are some of the signs. So, first, this guy will call or text you during night times only. Bakit night times lang itong tumatawag sa'yo? You are waiting for during daytime na mag-text siya, maybe makipag-date, but why all of a sudden, this one of the sign is the first sign why this guy will text you around 9 p.m. onwards, 9, 10, 11. Hey, what are you doing? Do you wanna hang out? So it seems that iba yung kanyang, alam niyo na yon, iba ang kanyang plano, no? So, just for you to get in his bed, for doing something not serious. That's the first red flags for a man. Okay? Be careful, girls. Number 2 sign, he avoids meeting your friends or your family. Because a serious man will always want to meet your friends, your family, your closest relatives. So, yan yung mga sign na seryoso ang lalaki for you. But if he keeps on avoiding, he has a lot of alibis. When you want him to meet your family, that's really a red flag. That's number 2. So let's say, for example, your cousin's birthday and your cousin want to meet your boyfriend, but then your boyfriend says, oh, I'm busy. A lot of alibis. So that is one of the red flags when he try his best to avoid meeting your family, friends, or relatives. So let's go to number 3. Just like on number 2, that he's trying all his best to avoid meeting your family, then if it's your time that you want to meet sa kanyang family, that you want to meet his parents, his siblings, or his friends, he keep on talking about they are busy, they're doing something, they don't have time. So it's just the same with our red flags number 2, okay? So, for example, he keeps on talking about his best friend, closest, but when the time that you want to meet that best friend, what he's talking about, daghan siyang alibay that, oh, my best friend is in this place, cannot do this because this and that, because he's not serious in saying, he's not serious in introducing you to his closest friend, to his family, and to his relatives. So let's go to number 4 red flags. Number 4 red flags is when he doesn't talk your future together. Let's say, for example, you are all in relationship with him for 2 to 3 years, even 8 years, pero hindi niya sinasabi kung ano yung magiging future niyo. He doesn't talk about when are you going to get married. He doesn't talk about, having kids or family together in the future. Wala. Wala siyang sinasabi na ganun. As is lang. Kasi nga, hindi siya seryoso sa'yo. He tends to leave you. He tends not to stay. He's just there. Maybe he's still enjoying your company. So that is one of the red flags. So let's go to number 5, red flags for a man. Number 5, he avoids making a labels in your relationship. You guys seems to have relationship, but he doesn't call you his girlfriend. What he always said to you, let's just enjoy what we have. So that is very red flag. So just to make sure na seryoso yung lalaki, dapat may tawagan kayo, babe, ganyan. And when you ask him, what are we? He will tell you that you are his girlfriend, but if he's will tell you that let's just enjoy what we have, this and that, blah, 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 choo, 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 then that is one of the red flags. So yes, those are the first 5 red flags that I can share with you for a man if this man is not being serious with you. So please avoid this one, girls. So hopefully this video will be able to give you some tips in having relationship with a man that is not going to have a serious relationship with you. Have a good day.